Our slogan in the company was redefining new machines since the rise of the Industry 4.0 term, because we were really concerned on what happens to the humans next. So what we're trying to do, we're trying to draw a map. So we know the landscape, so we try to assess factories for them to know how they are positioned in maturity of smart manufacturing. We go in any factory, we understand the situations, we meticulously handle the projects. Once the project is successful and people and management see that there's some benefits here, now we can go the step ahead. I think a factory with a smart machine, which is now more independent, more productive, will be much more efficient. And if you are more efficient, then you have a better income. It's similar to when you have the farmer and the tractor came and the farmer say we'll be out of business, but the farmer had to drive a tractor and now producing 100 times more than he used to produce.